What's that?
Squirrel.
Good girl. Square.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me erase it. What's that?
Circle.
Circle. Big girl. Can you erase it for Mommy? All right. What's this? Heart. Good girl. Can you erase it? Here. Thank you. What's this? Star. Good girl. And what's this? Oval. Big girl. Can you finish erasing it? Thank you. And one more. What's one you... Oh, what's this? What's that? Moon. Okay, all done.